So friends, today's practical is related to bond. So when we are studying bond chapter, you must be confused or you must have a query, sir, how we can find all the data like coupon rate, like life, whether it is redeemable bond or irredeemable bond, all the things, all the data given in question, sir, how to find out those data? So friend, for that you need to refer prospectus. Yes friend. I have few prospectus relating to bond. Whenever company issues bond, they give you a prospectus. In that prospectus, each and every minute details are given. These documents are mandatory as per SEBI and other regulatory bodies. So as a student, you must have prospectus relating to bond. Definitely, due to time constraint, you might not have so much time to read each and every words of the prospectus, but you can definitely highlight things and you can read some relevant part, and for the future purpose, when you will be qualified, whenever you enter into finance career and whenever you do job in this field, so this prospectus will help you a lot. So let's review this prospectus. So I have many prospectus. Let's say I am giving you one prospectus of Tata Steel Limited. I hope it's visible to you, and I am making you read the important points only. Fine. So what is the instrument? What is the instrument? Unsecured, subordinated, perpetual. So it is clear that companies in India can issue perpetual bonds. Fine. It will be listed. It will be listed. So bonds are also listed. You can buy and sell bond just like you buy and sell shares. Okay. Debt market segment of NSE. So it is listed in NSE. So one thing we have taken from this word, perpetual, and we have already covered perpetual bond. That's good. Rating. These instruments are rated, means credit rating agencies give these instruments rating like AA, like AA plus. Credit rating questions will also come in bond valuation chapter. Fine. No problem. The issue amount is 525 crore. I am only making you read the relevant part. Tenure perpetual, so there will be no life. Hence, we always give you a note in the class that whenever life is silent, always assume it to be perpetual. Call option. Call option word will also come in our bond chapter. Call option, we have done a question where a bond was called for rupees 1200. So company has a power to buy back, to recall their bond which they have issued. Fine, sir. Call option can be exercised at par by the issuer at the end of 10 years. So after 10 years, call option can be exercised. Fine, sir. Put option. What is put option? We will definitely cover this part also in our bond chapter. Fine, sir. Use of proceeds. Why company is taking money from you as a loan, as a bond? What company will do with that money? Company will use that money for general corporate purposes. Fine, sir. For their business activities. No problem at all. Distribution rate means coupon rate. So the coupon rate is 11.5% per annum payable semi-annually. 11.50% per annum payable semi-annually. So again, semi-annual bond we have covered in class. So you must be so excited, so much encouraged, so much confident that whatever we are reading in class is directly related to what we will do in practical life. In class, all the things are practical. Those are not bookish language that you just will read and you will pass the exam. These will definitely help you not only in passing exam, but also in your practical life, and I have proved it. Each and every word I have given you conceptual clarity with questions also. Fine. So 11.50 per annum payable semi-annually. Interest payment semi-annually. Fine. So we have covered in class annually, semi-annually, quarterly and monthly. Fine. So these were few of the points which we have covered in class, and I have given you all the explanation, relevant explanation. Let's take another example, ICICI Bank, and this is also non-convertible, perpetual. This is also perpetual bond. Fine, sir. So issue size is 20,000 million rupees. No problem at all. And credit rating, good rating is given to this instrument. Face value is 10 lakh per bond. No problem. Issue price is at par, issued at par. Fine. Minimum application is for 10 bonds. No problem. Tenure will be perpetual. So in perpetual there is cannot be any tenure. Perpetuals mean forever, continuous. Fine. Put option is not applicable. What is put option? Definitely will be covered in class. Call option. There is a call option feature is there, and so many points are written in this. No problem at all. And call price is also given. In our question which we have covered in class, the call price was 1200. Very good. Other details are given. And coupon rate is 9.20% and annual coupon rate payment. So 9.20% per annum they are giving. It is annual coupon. It is annual coupon rate. Fine, sir. So these all are informations which we have covered in class, and many information will be covering at the later stage of our class. Listing, it will be listed in debt segment of NSE and or BSE. Fine, sir. So many things are given. So you definitely needs to know everything, but slowly and slowly. At least you are referring to a prospectus. That's a great progress. Slowly and slowly you will be able to understand each and every point which is given in this prospectus. Fine, sir. This is also a prospectus. This is a 600 plus page prospectus. Definitely you should keep it. I will post it in your group so that you can refer it whenever you get time, or when you get qualification. Then afterward you can definitely refer it. You can definitely keep it. It will help you in your office life. NHAI prospectus. You can see 108 page prospectus it is. Let's see some major points. Again, these are points which we just covered. And let's see the coupon rate. Let's see the coupon rate. So coupon rate is 7% around. It's written here. The coupon rate is 7% around, and all the informations are given. Fine, sir. This is again a different type of prospectus. Details, term sheet, financial positions are given. Financials are given, listed in NSE and BSE. Monthly coupon interest rate is also there. Annually coupon rate is also there. Face value is 1000. Issue price is 1000. all the informations we have covered in class. Fine. So friends, you must be confident enough now कि nothing bookish language is being taught in the class, and slowly we will be champion in bond market also, and I'm confident enough that you are well trained for equity market as far as learning is concerned. So I hope you are liking all this practical segment of my class. So see you in next class. Till then, goodbye, take care. Fine, sir.